Government of India has asked information about the electronic online method that we have adopted, and we have given the details to them. It is for them, but we have done a unique job, which nowhere in the country as of now, to my information, this method is adopted.
What is the ballpark figure, sir? What is the numbers
No, in my interim report, I only said that on the basis of available data, it is not possible to make a scientific classification. Therefore, I recommend it to the government of Karnataka to conduct a fresh survey. Government accepted my interim report and ordered for fresh survey. Now fresh survey is going on.